is no formalities, please. Okay, you should know the formalities while you are talking to a teacher or to anyone elder. Okay, then you. uh, so we will see part 1 in this video, and there is no homework of this chapter. On this chapter only I am going to send you a picture of a letter, and you have to read and understand the letter. So I will start this. Part 1. Students. The students of class 4th greeted their teacher, Mrs. Desai, before they sat down. It was time for their English lesson. Shall we bring out our Balbharti textbook, teacher? Asked Shruti. Okay, so as you are students of class 4th, okay, and this is a chapter related to students of class 4th, okay. Now their teacher name is Mrs. Desai, and before they sat down, everyone stand up when the teachers enters in the classroom. And before they sat down, it was a time for English lesson, and they asked to Mrs. Desai, "Shall we bring out our Balbharti textbook?" Teacher asked Shruti. Shruti asked to the teacher. "Not now," said teacher. "We are going to learn letter writing today." Okay, Mrs. Desai is going to teach them, and the students going to learn letter writing today. Some special types of letters. Come here, Javed and Nisha. Please distribute these notebooks. And while they give out the books, continued Mrs. Desai, let me give you some good news. Okay, yesterday's homeworks notebooks were with Mrs. Desai, and she asked to Javed and Nisha to distribute the notebooks, and continued. And while they were giving the notebooks to everyone, Mrs. Desai continued, "Let me give you some good news." And she was going to give students some good news. And what was the good news? We will see. The students were all ears. Now their teacher announced with a smile. मीन्स अब ये कोई गुड न्यूज़ थी और सब लोगों ने अपने कान खड़े कर लिए थे सुनने के लिए गुड न्यूज़. New arrivals in the library, a plenty of them, story books of every kind, informative books with lovely pictures, books of puzzles, jokes. मीन्स हमारी लाइब्रेरी में न्यू अराइवल्स आए हैं. मीन्स बुक्स के न्यू स्टॉक आया है, जिसमें स्टोरी बुक्स है, पिक्चर बुक्स है, इंफॉर्मेटिव बुक्स है, बुक्स ऑफ पजल्स है, जोक्स है. All have been displayed in the library, so you will know which one is to ask for the time you are in the library. ओके, सब कुछ लाइब्रेरी में डिस्प्ले किया हुआ है, तो आपको नेक्स्ट टाइम पूछा जाएगा कि आपने कौन सी उसमें से बुक पढ़ी गई. ओ लवली, आई कैन हार्डली वेट, वेयर सम ऑफ द ईगर रिस्पॉन्सेज टू द piece of news. All were excited except one. Okay, all were excited because someone want to read joke book, and someone uh, want to read the puzzle book and informative book, or we can say the story books, and everyone was excited except one person. And who was the student? What's the use? Complained Felix. We have only one library period in a week, and hardly for half an hour too. Just when the story gets interesting, we have to leave the book and go back to the क्लास. मीन्स क्या यूज़ हो गया इसका, क्योंकि पूरे वीक में एक ही लाइब्रेरी पीरियड होता है और उसमें भी हार्डली वो हाफ एन आवर का होता है, और जैसे ही स्टोरी इंटरेस्टिंग होती है तब तक बेल बज जाती है और हमको हमारे क्लास में वापस आना पड़ता है. नाउ वर्षा जॉइन in to say, for 2 weeks I have been waiting to know what happened to the paid paper of Himalayan. There was a holiday last Thursday and we missed the library period. और कभी कभी तो ऐसा होता है कि लाइब्रेरी पीरियड के दिन ही हॉलीडेज आते हैं, तो जो स्टोरीज़ वो बुक बच्चे पढ़ते थे उनको कंटिन्यू करने के लिए उनको क्यूरियोसिटी, अब इसके आगे क्या होगा उसके लिए नेक्स्ट वीक तक वेट करना पड़ता था. मिसेस देसाई रियलाइज दैट व्हाट हर स्टूडेंट्स सेड वाज परफेक्टली ट्रू. This was true. Okay, she decided to request the principal to allow a home issue facility to for class 4th. After all, they were big enough to look after the books they took home. Means the Mrs. Desai took this very uh, seriously, and this was perfectly true. And Mrs. Desai decided to request principal to give issue facility. Home issue facility means students can issue the books they want from the library, and they can take the book at their home. But in at one condition, they have to look after their books. Okay, they don't have to tear the books, or they don't have to wet the books. They have to take care of the books there, and they were big enough. Fourth standard students can take care of the books. Okay, so Mrs. Desai took this decision. Hey, wait, thought Mrs. Desai, there is a better way to do it. Why not let the students themselves write a letter to request the principal? And then Mrs. Desai thought that I am going to teach them letter writing today, and why not students should write the letter themselves to principal. Means डायरेक्टली बच्चे लोगों ने खुद से लेटर लिख के प्रिंसिपल को भेजना चाहिए. अ रिक्वेस्ट लेटर to provide issue facility for standard force. Okay, after all, that was what she had planned to teach that day, how to write polite and formal letters. Okay, now what an opportunity, a good subject for a formal letter. And of course, a real situation would make the learning more effective and interesting. अगर आपको प्रैक्टिकल मीन्स आपको एक्चुअल लाइफ में वो करना है, ये लेटर हम सीरियसली करने चाह रहे हैं. अगर आप एक लेटर कर रहे हो, लेटर लिख के दे रहे हो अपने प्रिंसिपल को कि हमको इशू फैसिलिटीज़ आप प्रोवाइड करिए, हमको हमारी बुक्स घर ले जाने दीजिए, और इसके लिए आप लेटर आज सीखोगे और वैसा एक्चुअल एक लेटर लिख के आपके प्रिंसिपल को दोगे, तो ये ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग रहेगा और ज़्यादा इफ़ेक्टिव होगा. बच्चे सीखने में इसको इंटरेस्ट लेंगे. सो दिस वॉज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी. When Mrs. Desai suggested this to her class, they were very excited. Without losing much time, Mrs. Desai began to teach her class how to write a formal letter. Okay, now Mrs. Desai is teaching how to write a formal letter. The sender's address and due date should be written in the upper right side corner of the page, she taught. Okay, but here I have to mention it that the sender's address and the date should be written in the upper right side corner. At that time it was at the right side corner, but there is an update in this rule. Now मीन्स अभी हमको जो सेंडर्स एड्रेस और डेट जो होता है वो हमको राइट साइड ऑफ द कॉर्नर पे नहीं लिखते हैं अब हम लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द कॉर्नर पे लिखते हैं जो कुछ भी रहता है. सेंडर्स एड्रेस, डेट, नेम ऑफ द सेंडर, वो या फिर क्लास नेम, वो जो कुछ भी रहता है वो हम लोग लेफ्ट साइड में लिखते हैं. तो दिस इज जस्ट द अपडेट. ओके, जस्ट एन अपडेट. द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज टू राइट द नेम और पोस्ट of the receiver near the left margin. Then write his or her address below that. And after that, okay, then first of all we have to write sender's address and date on the right side, upper right side of the corner of the page. And next step is to write the name or the post receiver near the left margin. And on the left margin we have to write the post or receiver's name. Okay, means respected principal madam you have to write here. Then write his address below that. Okay, no, you have to write the name or post, means principal of XYZ school, or we can say principal of Sudhakar Narayan Shipurkar English medium school. We have to write a name, and the address will be the school's address because she is principal in the school of the school. After that you have to write the address below, means school's address, Mangaon, Raigad. school's name and school's address. After that, you must write the subject of the letter in short below the receiver's address. She further instructed. Means we have to write the subject of the letter. What was the subject? You have to write subject and then give dash, and then you have to write request for providing issue facility to fourth standard. Okay, so this will be your subject. That's something new, remarked Sharon. We do not mention a subject in our friendly letters. Do we? We write letters to our friends, but we don't write subject for these letters. Okay, मीन्स हम लोग जब अपने फ्रेंड्स को या अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स को लेटर्स लिखते हैं तो उसमें सब्जेक्ट मेंशन नहीं करते, लेकिन फॉर्मल लेटर्स में आपको सब्जेक्ट लिखना ही पड़ता है. Of course not, said Mrs. Desai. What we do next, teacher? Shruti wanted to know. You address the receiver writing dear sir or dear madam. Remember, the rest letter also should be written in polite language. Write to the point, Mrs. Desai explained. Okay, you should write the whole letter in a polite way. Means you can write dear sir or dear madam because you are in school and you are writing to the principal of the school. But a whole letter should be in polite manner, polite language. And should we end it with your lovingly? Asked Renu. Oh no, said teacher. Your lovingly, we should not write. If we are writing a formal letter to our principal, we should not write your lovingly. We use your lovingly at the end of the letter of informal letters. Means if we are writing a letter to our friend or our mother, father, brother, sibling or anything, we will write your lovingly. But in this letter, no, said teacher. You can write that to your friends or parents or even to me. But when you are writing as a student to the principal, you may write yours faithfully or yours sincerely. Do not forget to thank the receiver appropriately before you close the letter. Come on now, let's draft this letter together. After quite a few errors, cancellations and changes, here the letter class 4th wrote to principal. It was written very neatly. Means सारे कैंसलेशंस और एरर्स के बाद एंड में सब कुछ उन्होंने एक लेटर तैयार कर दिया. And I am going to send you the picture of that letter and you have to read the letter. This is the only homework of this chapter. Okay, so this was the chapter. Know the formalities please, and you should know the formalities when you are writing a formal letter. Okay, so I am going to provide you this picture and you have to read the letter. Thank you.